Dear Warren, Greg, and Ajit, thank you for having us. Your teachings have not only made us better investors, but more importantly, better people. Thank you for that. My name is Rajiv Agarwal, and I am from New Jersey. I run an India focused fund called Dudarshi India Fund. My question is related to India. Indian economy and Indian equities have done quite well in the last 5, 10, 20 years. It is the fifth largest economy and will be the third largest in the next few years. My question is Berkshire actively looking for opportunities in the Indian equity market? And what will allow you to buy anything meaningful there? Thank you.
Yeah, well, that's a very good question. And obviously, India, you know, I'm sure there are loads of opportunities in a place like India. And the question is, do we have any advantage in either insights into those businesses or contacts that will make possible some transaction that might, what the parties in India would particularly want us to participate. I would say that that's something that a more energetic management at Berkshire could pursue, because we do have the reputation now. Berkshire is known, not like it's known in the United States, but it's known around the world. And our Japanese experience has been fascinating in that respect. So there may be an unexplored or unattended to opportunity in that area. I'm not the one to do it. But that may be something that in the future, it might be opportunities. There are opportunities. The question is does Berkshire have some kind of advantage in actually pursuing those opportunities particularly against people that are using other people's money that where they get paid based on assets managed or something of the sort. I mean, there are plenty of people in the game who are buying and running businesses that do not really have our philosophy. I mean, they're going to get rich no matter what happens, and their payment may be based on how much they buy rather than what they buy. So we'll see how the next management plays the game out at Berkshire. And fortunately, you don't have too long to wait on that. Generally, I feel fine, but I know a little bit about actuarial tables, and I just I would say this, that I shouldn't be taking on any four-year employment contracts like several people are doing in this world at an age where you can't be quite that sure where you're going to be in 4 years. But you're absolutely right about if you were energetic, had some way to become a buyer of a party that people particularly wanted to do business with. Japan was great, and India could be great, but India and Japan aren't the same. I mean, I don't adapt myself terribly well to different cultures, and some people are really good at it, and almost anybody's better than I am. But I stumbled into one or two, but that could happen in Act Two of Berkshire Hathaway.